In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide explicit content in Leonardo AI. Ensuring that your content experience is safe and comfortable is important, and Leonardo AI has built-in features to help you achieve this. Whether you are concerned about inadvertently encountering adult or explicit material, or you're setting up protections for younger users, turning on the content moderation features is a straightforward process. Let's walk through each step together so you can tailor your viewing preferences to your needs. First, you'll need to visit the Leonardo AI website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Leonardo AI homepage. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, most platforms offer a reset option to help you regain access. Logging in is essential because these settings are tied to your user profile. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you will see your profile icon. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options that help personalize and manage your account. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and select Settings, or it might be labeled as Account Settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to your personal account configurations, ranging from security options to preference settings. As you browse through these settings, look for any options labeled Safe Mode, NSFW Filter, or Content Moderation. These are the tools Leonardo AI provides to manage the kind of content you see. Depending on updates and the version you're using, the exact names might vary slightly, but they generally serve the same purpose, keeping unwanted explicit content out of your experience. Once you've located the appropriate setting, the final step is to turn it on. Activating this feature will enable the system to automatically block or filter out content that is sexually explicit or deemed adult in nature. This ensures you have a browsing environment that aligns with your comfort levels. Remember, at any point if you want to adjust these settings, you can simply revisit this section and toggle the options as needed. It's a nice feature to have because it affords flexibility. If you ever find yourself needing to change the settings, perhaps due to different users accessing the account, it's just as easy to switch off the filter and revert back. By making these changes, you've taken an important step in customizing your AI interaction to better suit your preferences. In addition, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you're in control of the type of content that can be accessed through your account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in setting up your Leonardo AI environment just the way you like it.